Topic is rate equation for first order reaction. What is first order reaction? In a chemical reaction, the sum of powers of concentration terms is equal to 1. Then that reaction is called first order reaction. We taken A gives product. This is first order reaction. A gives products. At a time t is equal to 0, concentration of reactant capital A is equal to small a. So, decrease in concentration of A is equal to 0. At time t is equal to t, concentration of A is equal to A minus x. Hence, decrease in concentration of A is equal to x. Rate of reaction. Rate of reaction dx by dt is proportional to concentration of reactant. So, dx by dt is equal to some constant into concentration of A. But we know concentration of A is equal to A minus x. Then substitute value A. So dx by dt is equal to k into A minus x. That 1 by A minus x dx is equal to k into dt. Integration on both sides. Integration on both sides. That integral 1 by A minus x dx is equal to k into integral dt. So integral 1 by A minus x dx is equal to minus ln A minus x is equal to kt plus c. This is equation 1. If t is equal to 0, then x is equal to also 0. So minus ln A minus 0 is equal to k into 0 plus c. So this is 0. This is ln A. Therefore c is equal to minus ln A. This c value is substitute in equation 1. Then minus ln A minus x is equal to kt. C value anta minus ln A. Minus ln A. Therefore, kt is equal to ln A minus ln A minus x. Therefore, this is ln A minus ln B, hence ln A by B. So kt is equal to ln A by A minus x. ln is converted into log, hence multiply 2.303. So kt is equal to 2.303 log A by A minus x. Therefore, k is equal to 2.303 by t into log A by A minus x. This is rate equation for first order reaction. Next we taken characteristics of first order reactions. Next we go to characteristics. Characteristics of first order reaction. First one is units. A gives products. This is a first order reaction. Rate equation is, so rate of reaction dx by dt proportional to concentration of A. So dx by dt is equal to K into concentration of A. Therefore, K is equal to dx by dt into concentration of A. Units of dx is mole per liter. Units of dt is seconds, and also units of concentration of A is mole per liter. Mole per liter cancel. That is 1 by second. That is second inverse. So units of first order reaction is second inverse. Units is second inverse. Second one. Examples. Ester hydrolysis in acidic medium is a first order reaction. CH3 COO C2H5 plus H2O in presence of acidic medium, we get CH3 COOH plus C2H5OH. This reaction is called first order reaction. And also hydrolysis of sucrose is first order reaction. Sucrose C12H22O11 plus H2O gives, this is sucrose. This is sucrose. C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. This is glucose. This is fructose. These two reactions are first order reactions. Okay.